today's video, I did a makeup look on the look that I'm wearing right now. I don't really know how to describe this look. It's pretty weird. I did a half cut crease with some white eyeliner, so if you'd like to see how I get it, then just keep on watching. I'm going to prime my lids with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Prime Potion. This is just the original one. I'm going to take the Colourpop Give It To Me Straight eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take this shade and run this all over my crease and lid everywhere. It's just going to give a nice soft color and kind of help cancel out the veins on my eyelids. Once I have that shade buffed out, I'm going to take the shade Truth Hurts and apply this in my crease. I'm using the Morphe M433, my favorite blending brush. And then with a different blending brush, I'm going to go into this shade called BS and run that in my crease as well. I kind of want to use a lot of these colors since I never used this palette before, and I want like a really nice diffused and blended look, and whenever you add a lot of colors onto your eye, you'll get a really nice blended look. And then with a pretty small fluffy brush, this is the Morphe M506, I'm going to take the shade TMI and start buffing this in my crease. And then I'm going to go back into the same brush that I used the Truth Hurts color on and just blend out the edges. And then with the same M506, I'm going to take the shade Actually, just a very small amount, and start putting this in my outer corners, and then I'm going to drag it up a little bit into the crease just to deepen it up a little bit. And then I'm going to take some makeup remover and an angled brush and then clean up the outer edges of this to make it look a lot more clean and tidy. And then I'm going to take some concealer. I'm going to do like a half cut crease type of thing. And over top, I'm going to apply this Colourpop single shadow in the shade Glass Bowl. And the reason I put concealer on before I added the shimmer was just to make it more intense and help it show up a little bit more and make it a lot more clean looking. And then when I get to the outer corners, I'm going to take the same M506 brush that I used to apply the dark brown and just stamp over the edges. For eyeliner, I'm going to use a white. I'm going to use the NYX colored felt tip liner in the shade White. I applied the House of lashes in the style Natalia to my lashes. I already primed my face with my moisturizer, and for foundation, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Coverage with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless, and I'm going to mix them together. For concealer, I'm going to use the NYX HG Concealer in the shade CW00. I'm going to do a little bit of a cream contour. I'm going to use the Benefit Hoola Cookie Contour Stick. And I'm just going to do a slight contour bronze with this. To set my concealer in place, I'm going to use this RCMA No Color Powder. For bronzer, I'm going to use this Benefit Hoola bronzer. For blush, I want to do like a deeper rosy blush. I'm going to use the Visions Formula Butter Blush in the shade Plum Rose. For highlighter, I'm going to use the Dose of Colors Baked Highlighter in the shade Pearl Dust. For the lower lash line, I'm going to take this shade and start buffing that down there. And then I'm going to take this shade and buff that down there. I'm going to keep the lower lash line matte for this look. And I'm going to add a little bit of this shade. And then apply some lower lash mascara. And then for inner corner highlight, I'm going to take the shade called Up Next. For lips, I'm going to apply the Bite Multi-Stick in the shade Blondie. Blondie? Yes. That concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to subscribe and like it if you're not already. And if you'd like to see full products I mentioned, you can look in the description box below. Other than that, I'll see you in the next video. Bye. For highlighter, I'm going to use the Dose of Colors Baked Highlighter. forgot to dampen my beauty blender.